Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena. I'm live here at CES 2018 and I stopped by the Razer booth and I checked out Project Linda, which is the company's laptop dock concept for its Razer phone. Now this brings me back to the Motorola Atrix days. Very similar concept where you have this shell, which in this case is the laptop, and it's powered by a smartphone, the Razer phone. I gotta say though, the laptop design looks pretty sick. If you're familiar with any of Razer's laptops, you'll instantly notice it is one because it has that distinctive design language, and that's evident in the backlit keyboard and also the logo on the lid itself. Now, the lid is glossy, so it does attract some fingerprints. Now, there are a few ports around the dock itself. You have USB Type-C, so you can add on different peripherals. You have also the power connection. And as far as the Razer phone is concerned, it actually sits where the touchpad would normally go. Now, they tell me it's going to be mainly used as a touchpad, of course, but in certain games, it's going to provide some additional information. So essentially, the Razer phone itself powers the laptop. It's the brains behind the scenes. It's running on an Android-based operating system, so whatever you do on the phone, you'll have access to using it on the laptop itself. Not only does the phone get charged while it's inside the laptop, but also adds 200 gigabytes of internal storage. Now, for those who are big into mobile gaming, this is definitely an interesting concept because now, instead of playing your games on your smartphone, you have the utility of using a laptop, so you could bring it around with you. They didn't mention a price point yet or a release date. Again, this is just a concept, so who knows what's going to come out of it. So if you guys want to learn more about Project Linda, you could check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.